This 2019 Subaru Ascent is brought to you by Twins Chrysler Dodge Jeep Ram, your neighborhood trusted dealership. This Subaru is powered by electric all-wheel drive, automatic transmission, intercooled turbo-regular unleaded H4 2.4L 146 engine, and has 241 miles. Adventure awaits. Discover the reliable 2019 Subaru Ascent, your perfect family SUV. Here are some of the features. Visit us today to test drive this car and similar vehicles. Don't forget to follow us to receive daily new listings in your neighborhood.